Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create campaign in Zoho CRM. A campaign in Zoho CRM is used to manage marketing activities such as email promotion, advertisement or events. Campaigns help businesses track marketing efforts, measure results and see which campaigns generate leads or the sales. By creating campaigns in Zoho CRM, you can organize marketing activities and connect them to leads, contacts and deals. First, open your browser in the top over here in address bar, type down zoho.com and enter it over here. And once you reach into this Zoho, select the CRM in the right hand side. Over here into this Zoho CRM, scroll a bit down until you find to this access Zoho CRM. Once you reach into this Zoho CRM official dashboard in the top right, we can find to this plus icon here. Select this plus icon and you can create records. Simply select this campaign here. Over here, simply fill up your details, fill the important information about your campaign name, your start date, expected revenue, actual cost, number sent, and status, end date, budget, cost, and expected response as well. And then you can save it in the top right. And that is it. Creating campaigns in Zoho CRM allows businesses to organize marketing activities, connect them with the leads and contacts, and measure marketing results. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.